Well, it's the end of the weekend. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend, whether you're on the vlog, podcast, wherever you're over from. Much appreciated. New subscribers, thanks for stopping by. Well, the family and I are down in lovely Denmark in the south of WA, and this is down at Black Rock, right on the bottom part of the harbour, or I guess the harbour. See over, where am I? So you can see here, this is all the ocean coming out. The next stop that way is Antarctica. That's pretty cool, always. I love that notion, being so close to Antarctica. But over here is the entrance to a little river that goes into basically a lake. So you've got salt water here. Goes into Denmark, into a massive, big, huge lake. I guess it's a mixture of salt and fresh. It's a bit of a sandbar here, which sort of blocks a lot of the salt water, I guess. So it's sort of and then it goes into the township of Denmark, and a beautiful little quaint town. Great food, great coffee, really nice people, so definitely worth coming down the trip. The last couple of days, since Friday, we've come over from Margaret River area. We finished camping there. We're now at a B&B here, which is fantastic. mic video muff on just for this because it's 20k winds. So fingers crossed you can hear me. My bad if I can't. I'm having a ball. I think I said Friday, probably the first day I've been able to switch off in a long time. So been really good rejuvenation for me. So I think luckily with life I've been from hard work. 30 years as a mechanic sort of let me be able to do this with the family. I got down to 2 places the other night and morning, or yesterday morning and night, Elephant Rocks and Greens Pool. I went out to shoot astro because it was going to be the last time the galactic core, because of the moon, was up. Tried to get there, got there 2 in the morning, but the wet weather sort of was coming. There was patchy clouds. We got like 2 mils of rain. But yeah, I couldn't get any astro basically. There was a couple of stars shone through and you could see them. As soon as the cloud opened up like a little patch, it was just crystal clear. Just I'm like, oh, and that made it even worse because I was like, if there was no clouds here, I'm sure you would have been able to see the stars reflecting on the pools. It was that amazing. And how cool is that? On the rocks here. So it was awesome. Definitely a bucket list shoot for me. Would have been great, the stars out, they would have perfected it because I could have done astro, sunrise, just ridiculous stuff in one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to, without a doubt. And I've been to a lot of places on the planet. I've been very blessed in that. But so yeah, super stoked. Other than that, I just 20k wins. Shout out to DJI Mini 2, insane. I had 1 strong wind warning. I don't know if you see my shirt blowing. This thing didn't miss a beat. All around the coastline, down the bay. Got some photos over there. And over to here. Across the bay, back over to the rocks. All along the coast here, up around. 30 minutes of flying, 1 strong wind warning. Mini 2, yes. If you've got a Mini, Barker, if you're working, you do watch this, upgrade, bud. Definitely upgrade. I actually got in and thought, oh, there's no way. I thought I'll just get up like 10 meters, just go a little bit up, just went vertical just to see how far I could take this thing. And little droney never missed a beat for 30 minutes. 1 strong wind warning and I was at 120 meters, come back down to about 110. And then those last wind warning, pretty slow into this 20k wind. It was down to like 5 meters a second, but did not miss a beat. So super stoked with that upgrade to the Mini 2. If you are thinking about going from the Mini to the Mini 2 and you go anywhere near the beach, definitely worthwhile. going to sit around here. I've got the M50 with the 55 to 200 on. Little circular polarizer on there. I'm just going to get some shots. Maybe I'm going to shoot over here. Looks pretty cool. And see how I go. That's at it. Going to do that on the switch pod. I used the switch pod yesterday for some long exposures. Very, very cool. Worked a treat. Great little handy tripod if you're out and about and don't want to carry a big tripod. Made it super simple for me. Knowing I can do a long exposure on here and it's not going to buckle or do any vibrate or anything like that. With my little Lancy tripod head, perfect. Anyway, you probably couldn't hear that last section. But yeah, okay, that's it for me for another day. Hope you, wherever you are, you're having a good day and you're enjoying it. I will see you all again tomorrow. I'll check out the tech stuff. We have, there is something coming up. It's called Australia Day tomorrow. Don't forget Australia Day. Happy Australia Day to everyone, all my friends out there. If you're not from Australia and you're watching, drop us a comment. Let us know where you're from and what's your favourite day to celebrate. We celebrate living in a beautiful country like this. That's what it means to me. It means different things to different people. Some people are anti that, and they have every right. They pay, as long as they pay taxes, they can have their whinge. That's my thing. If you pay taxes, you can say whatever you like. Yeah, to me it means being able to spend quality time with my family in one of the most beautiful places on the planet, and I'm very lucky for that. And it's worth paying the taxes when you can come to somewhere like this and just de-stress and switch off and enjoy life. That's what it's all about. I will see you all again tomorrow. Stay safe wherever you are.